Hi, this is Phanessa. In my last video, we went over how to make a slip knot and place it on your hook. So this is a series of beginning videos for absolute beginners, and we are ready to start chaining a chain stitch. So if you're starting your work making a flat square, or when you're making a gauge swatch, most likely you will start with chain stitches. Okay, before we get started, I just wanted to say that these videos are recorded based on how I like to crochet, and so the best advice I can give you is play with different techniques to see what works best for you. So I like to start with basically the hook with the flat side or the hook part facing me. And I keep my thumb and whatever finger I have available to hold on to the tail. This helps give you some structure. So you're going to place your hook in front of your working yarn and to the back, and then that naturally hooks onto the yarn. And then when I pull it towards the loop, I turn it down so that it goes right into that loop, which in a way looks like a teardrop. Well, an upside down teardrop. And you want to keep your chain stitches loose. A lot of beginners have issues with making the chain stitches too tight, which makes it very difficult to work into on your first row. Okay, so let's work another chain stitch in front of the working yarn, go behind, and then let it grab the yarn. And then when I pull it towards the loop, I turn it down and pull through. So I'll show you what that looks like right at the loop right here. Okay, so when I'm grabbing it, you see I turn it towards the bottom and it goes right through that loop nicely. So holding on to the tail end will help you get some structure, and it would be easier for you to work your stitches. If I let go of the tail, it's when I'm trying to grab my yarn, it's just sort of flying everywhere. So basically you want to anchor this part down so you have some tension there, and then you can start your chain stitches. Again, this is just how I like to do it too, and how I learned. So I'm not quite sure if there's a wrong or right way to do this. I've seen a lot of people work their chain stitches from going through the back and pulling through, which as you can see is not very comfortable for me. So I like to go forward in front of my working yarn and then grabbing the yarn and going under and then pulling it through. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.